Good morning, students. In our last class, I have explained quadratic formula to solve the quadratic equation. If any equation is given ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 means quadratic equation, then how can you find out its root using quadratic formula? That is also called Sridharacharya formula. I hope you remember. I have given the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root over d upon 2a, where this d is called discriminant and d is equal to b square minus 4ac, where b is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, and c is the constant term. So using this formula we can find out the roots, and here I am going to explain nature of roots, which type of roots in the quadratic equation are possible. So according to D we can discuss, we can understood which type of roots are possible. So to understood the roots, firstly we need to write a, b and c, then find out the d by using the formula of d is equal to b square minus 4ac. And what may be the d? Students, d may be positive, d may be negative, d may be 0. If this d is positive means it is strictly greater than 0. अगर d 0 से greater हो जाए means positive value आ रहा हो. So then on putting this value you can get it. Here we can get x is equal to minus b plus root of d upon 2a, and second क्या हो सकता है x is equal to minus b minus root d upon 2a. So since d is positive and square root of a positive number may be rational, may be a irrational number. So according to that, these two roots, ये देखो first root and this second root, both roots are real, but these are real ना, rational होगा तब भी real आ जाएगा, irrational होगा then also real. So roots are real but not equal. So students, you need to learn that if discriminant is strictly greater than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and distinct. Distinct means unequal. ये जो roots होंगे unequal होंगे. देखो एक हुआ minus b plus root d upon 2a and second हुआ minus b minus root d upon 2a. Both are not equal. So we are getting real but unequal roots. Secondly, students, if d may be 0, अगर d 0 हो जाए, if d is equal to 0, so if d 0, I will put here 0. So देखो फर्स्ट रूट अगर यहाँ पे हम d 0 पुट कर दे तो x इक्वल टू माइनस बी अपॉन 2a, एंड यहाँ पे भी 0 पुट करो x इक्वल टू अगेन माइनस बी अपॉन 2a. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट? You will get x equal to minus b upon 2a first and second also minus b upon 2a, means you are getting the equal roots. So therefore if d is equal to 0, discriminant is 0, means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then so roots are real and equal, means both roots are real and equal. So the roots are real but they are equal also. Third one, if d less than 0 means b square minus 4ac less than 0, you can say discriminant is नेगेटिव वैल्यू, ये नेगेटिव में आ रहा है, जैसे -5 -10 वॉट एवर, नेगेटिव लेस देन 0, देन बिकॉज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ नेगेटिव नंबर इज नॉन रियल. ये नॉन रियल होता है, दिस इज नॉन रियल, ये रियल नंबर नहीं होता है. So therefore our roots are also not real. So this is not applicable in the class 10, but when you go in class 11 you need to find out the non-real roots also. So therefore the roots are, then no real roots are possible. So in this equation no any real roots are possible. No need to solve this question in the class 10, but in class 11 you will solve this type of question also, means non-real roots. This is also called imaginary roots ना, imaginary roots होगा or complex roots होगा. So many things are there, but here so you remember that. Once again I will revise this thing. If d is strictly greater than 0, then real and unequal roots. If d is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal, and if d less than 0, then no real roots are possible. तो ये फर्स्ट और सेकंड केस को हम सॉल्व करेंगे. थर्ड पे सिर्फ नोट करना है no real roots are possible, so no need to solve the question, right? So here I'm going to explain the questions from the exercise 4.4. So I have taken the question number 1, its first part. In this question, statement is given, find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. If real roots exist, then find them. So it is given, first question, its first part is given 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So firstly you need to understand its nature of the roots, and if the roots are real then find them. So firstly we'll check. For that we write a. What is a? 2. What is b? -3. What is c? 5. So we got a2, b -3 and c 5. So write down these things. Then find out discriminant. d निकालेंगे. d. What is d? b square minus 4 into C. D is equal to B square minus 4 into C. What is B? Minus 3. Minus 3 square. Minus 4A is 2 into C is 5. So minus 3 square 9. Minus 4 5 the 20 to the 40. So 9 minus 40 is equal to minus 31. Correct na? So D is equal to minus 31. And this minus 31 is which type of negative? Negative मतलब क्या हुआ? ये less than 0. So it is strictly smaller than 0. So therefore, if B is since B less than strictly smaller than 0, therefore no real roots are possible. So therefore no need to solve the question. Okay, so I will explain its next part. Question number 3rd. First, it's question number 3rd. So question number first, its third part is given. For the same statement, third part of the question number 1, given that equation is given 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. We want to check its nature of the roots. So A note करोगे 2. What is B? B minus 6. And what is C? C is equal to 3. Find out करेंगे D. Discriminant D is equal to B square minus 4 A into C. What is D? What is B minus 6. Minus 6 square minus 4 times of A. What is A? 2 into C, that is 3. We do minus 6 square plus 36 right now. Yeah, minus 36 plus 36 na? Correct. Minus 6 square is plus 36. Minus 4 to the 8 is a 24. We got 24. And we got 36 minus 24. We got 12. So it is 12. And so which type of D? You can guess na, D is which is strictly greater than 0. So since D is strictly greater than 0, therefore roots are which type of roots? Roots are real but unequal. Roots are real and unequal. You can say roots are real and distinct, or you can say roots are real and unequal. And unequal. So, but what are the roots? We will find out. First root minus B plus root over D upon twice of A. So it is minus B minus and minus 6 plus root of D, first root, root of 12 upon twice of A. What is A? A is 2. अभी देखो ये plus 6 हुआ and ये जो 12 है, 12 can be written 4 into 3 and 4 का square root क्या होगा? 2. So 2 root 3 upon 4. Correct? So from in this I can take 2 as a common. हम यहाँ पे 2 common कर सकते हैं और उसको cancel कर सकते हैं. If I will take 2 common, so I can get 3 plus root 3 upon 4. So you will get ये 2 से cancel कर दें. देखो आ गया 3 plus root 3 by 2 is the first root. And similarly I can find out the second root. Easily you can understood. Only change कहाँ पे होने वाला है? यहाँ पे minus हो जाएगा. तो पहले हम फार्मूला नोट करते हैं. X is equal to minus B minus root B अपॉन ट्वाइस ऑफ ए. तो देखो माइनस बी ऑलरेडी सॉल्व किए 6 मिल रहा है, बस यहाँ चेंज होगा माइनस रूट ऑफ 12 अपॉन 4 राइट ना. अभी देखो ये हुआ 6 माइनस वी कैन राइट इट 2 रूट 3 बिकॉज 4 3 12 अपॉन 4. फिर 2 कॉमन करके कैंसिल करो तो 3 माइनस रूट 3 अपॉन 2. So when D greater than 0, and one more thing I want to explain here. If D greater than 0 and this D is non-perfect square number, this is non-perfect square number, then always we are getting the irrational roots. एक तो real होगा, but इस real में भी कैसा होगा? Irrational roots होगा. When D is non-perfect square number, so you will get an irrational roots. और जो irrational roots होते हैं, irrational roots मिलेगा, and these roots are always conjugate pair of each other. एक दूसरे के conjugate pair होते हैं. If first root होगा 3 plus root 3 upon 2, तो second क्या होगा? Always 3 minus root 3 upon 2. So this is also one way to solve some multiple choice question or some shortcut method to understand the roots. If one is 3 plus root 3 by 2, then another must be 3 minus root 3 by 2. When D पहले तो greater than 0 हो and but non-perfect square number, ये non-perfect square number होगा तो irrational roots मिलेगा and irrational roots are always in conjugate pairs. Okay, clear? So students, there is one more part of this question. You need to try the question. by yourself. If you are having doubt, you will ask. You can ask to me. And now question number 2, I will explain its one part. Question number 2. Question number 2. So this question number 2 is, you can see this question number 2 is given, find the values of a, find the values of a. Question number 2 is given, find the values of a for which the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. Question number 2, it's one part I will explain. Question number 2, suppose I will explain second part. Question number 2, it's second part. It is given, equation is given kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Plus 6 is equal to 0. So what is the question? Find the values of k for which the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. First of all, we need to make this equation in standard form, means in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So we will write it, multiply करो तो क्या मिला, ax square minus twice of ax plus 6 is equal to 0. Then a note करो, what is a? A is equal to, you will get a. What is b? b is equal to minus 2k. जो भी x का या x square का कोफिशिएंट होगा a, and b is the coefficient of x and c is 6. फिर फाइंड आउट करेंगे d. What is d? d is b square minus 4a into c. What is b? b is minus 2k the square minus 4a. What is a? a is k, right now? So minus 4 into a means k into c is 6. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, देखो फाइंड आउट हुआ 4k स्क्वायर minus 4 6 are 24k. 4k square minus 24k. So for which condition we need to solve? We need to solve this question for equal roots so that they have equal roots. So for real and equal roots. For real and equal roots. So for real and equal roots, or you can say only for equal roots, क्या होना चाहिए? D must be equal to 0. तो D को equal to 0 करके solve करना होगा. D must be equal to 0. D should be equal to 0. और अगर हम D को equal to 0 कर दें, so we got D is 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. So in this, क्या कॉमन हो सकता है? I can take 4k common. What is remaining? K minus 6 is equal to 0. So what are the possibilities? Possibilities are what? What may be the possible? One thing is there, may be possible k is either k0 or k minus 60 or both. So this one k is equal to 6. Now is look, both are the correct answer or not? Since as you know, if I will put k0, then this equation is becomes here 0. So then it is not a quadratic equation, because already you remember that to make a quadratic equation in ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. If a is not equal to 0, so therefore k should not equal to 0. So we can't take this value. k 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, otherwise ये equation quadratic नहीं होगा. तो क्या होना चाहिए? k must be equal. Therefore k must be equal to 6. So correct answer, correct value of k must be equal to 6. k 6 के equal होना चाहिए. Okay, and its first part you need to try. I will explain next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given, student, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meter square? If so, find the length and breadth. If so means it is possible, means you need to check this question. Check करना है इसके roots कैसे होंगे. So question number 3, I will explain this question number 3, students. What is question number 3? Read it properly, then only you will understood the question. How can you solve? तो सबसे पहले ये तो word problem है, means इससे equation बनाना होगा. And question is given, if it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth. So length is twice of the breadth. इसके लिए हम लेट करेंगे, लेट ब्रेथ बी, लेट ब्रेथ ऑफ द breadth be x, breadth be x meter. Therefore, length must be twice of x meter. Correct now? And area is 800 meter square. Area is 800 meter square. And which type of this mangrove? It is rectangular. So यहाँ note करेंगे area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Already I hope you know area of rectangle. What is area of rectangle? L into B. So what is L? 2x into B is x. और देखो ये area of this rectangular field or rectangle is given. Rectangular mango grove is given. How much given? 800 meter square. ये किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए? 800 is equal to 2x square. 800 is equal to 2x square. So therefore, if 2x square is equal to, so x square is equal to 400, right now 200 by 2 400 meter square. So x is equal to square root of 400. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 400, जब भी हम स्क्वायर रूट टेक करते हैं प्लस माइनस साइन के साथ आंसर मिलता है, मींस यू कैन टेक टू पॉसिबल वैल्यू. तो ये तो डायरेक्ट सॉल्व हो जाएगा, यू कैन सॉल्व इट डायरेक्टली आल्सो. x is equal to plus minus 20, but means x may be 20 meter, x may be minus 20 meter, but length and breadth की बात है तो ये क्या होना चाहिए प्लस. So therefore x is equal to 20 meter. So you can get breadth is 20 meter and length is 20 into 2, that is 40 meter. तो ये possible है. Okay, so this is directly you can solve with the help of ax square plus bx plus c से भी solve कर सकते हो, but no need to do in that way, you can solve it directly. So in this way there is next question I will explain. Next question number 5th I will explain. 4th question you will try by yourself. It is given, is it possible to design a rectangular park? Is it possible to design rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. So this is the question number 5. Students, whenever you will solve the question, firstly you need to write all the given information. जो भी information question given हो उसको note किया करो. Note करो. Is it possible to design rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter? एक rectangular park लेना है जिसका perimeter given है. Perimeter is given 80 meter. Its perimeter is given 80 meter and area 400 meter square. And area 400 meter square. Area is 400 meter square. If so, find its length and breadth. So let, already you know, if I will consider its length be x meter. So since perimeter is equal to twice of L plus B of rectangle, right now perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle, so it is a rectangular part, so perimeter of rectangle already you know, twice of L plus B, and which is given equal to 80 meter, correct ना, it is given equal to 80 meter. So twice of L को हमने x सपोज किया, तो x plus B is equal to 80. If 2 को ट्रांसपोज करें तो x plus B is equal to 80 upon 2. So therefore B is equal to 40 minus x. I can write this ना. तो width हमको find out हुआ. Its breadth is becomes 40 minus x, correct ना? Its breadth is becomes 40 minus x in meter. Area since area of rectangular park, since area of a rectangular rectangular park is equal to L into B. How much given area of this rectangular park? 400. So 400 is equal to L. L is X and B is 40 minus X. So solve it. 400 is equal to 40x minus x square. Right now? 40x minus x square. 40x minus x square. Okay? 40x minus x square. So if you transpose this x square this side, x square minus 40x minus 400, sorry, plus na, this side I have transposed it, plus 400 is equal to 0. So you got it. You can solve this question by any method. So here I am going to explain the question using quadratic formula. So by using quadratic formula, firstly we need to find out. सबसे पहले हम क्या नोट करेंगे इसमें a, what is a, राइट करेंगे a, b, c की वैल्यूज नोट करना होगा. What is a? A is 1, right ना? A is equal to 1. What is b? B is equal to minus 40. And c, what is c? C is equal to 400. C is equal to 400. C is equal to 400. Correct na? Then to understand nature of the roots, means is it possible or not, we need to find out d. क्या find out करेंगे d. D is equal to, since d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So put it d, that is b square minus 4a into c. अभी देखो b क्या है, minus 40 square minus 4a into c. अभी देखो minus 40 square is plus 1600 minus 1600, right ना? ये देखो आ गया 0. We got it 0. 1600 minus 1600 is equal to 0. So d becomes 0. और अगर d 0 हो जाए, देखो ये d हो गया 0, correct ना? d becomes 0. So if d is equal to 0, so what you can say about the roots? Therefore, nature of roots क्या हो सकता है? Therefore, roots are real and equal. मीन्स रूट्स पॉसिबल है, इसका मतलब ये पार्क पॉसिबल है, इसके डायमेंशन साइड्स फाइंड आउट हो सकते हैं. रूट्स आर रियल एंड इक्वल. सो व्हाट आर द रूट्स? इक्वल रूट्स होगा. x इक्वल टू क्या ले सकते हैं, माइनस, क्या फॉर्मूला था, x इक्वल टू माइनस b अपॉन 2a. इसी से सॉल्व कर सकते हो बिकॉज d 0 हो गया. x इक्वल टू माइनस b अपॉन 2a और b की वैल्यू पुट करो. व्हाट इज b? b इज इक्वल टू, यू कैन पुट b के प्लेस में क्या रख सकते हैं, देखो b क्या मिला था, माइनस 40, ये हो गया माइनस 40 upon twice of a. What is a? A is 1. So we got minus 40. ये हुआ plus 40 upon 2. That's why 20 meter. What is b? B means L. So L देखो find out हुआ. Length कितना हुआ? 20 meter. Therefore length of this rectangular park is 20 meter. And what is b? देखो यहाँ b हमने find out किया. b is equal to find out हुआ 40 minus x. तो breadth is 40 minus x. X कितना हुआ 20. So that is also 20 meter. You can verify your answer. Perimeter क्या होगा, twice of L plus B. L 20, B 20. 20 plus 20 40 into 2. So ये हो गया 80. Area 20 into 20 400. Right now, so this rectangle is becomes a square also because its length and width are equal. So this is the question number 5th. So students, you need to complete this exercise and related question. Also you need to solve the questions related to this exercise, and if you are having any doubt you can ask from, and there are some more question you need to try. I will give next time. Nature of roots, जैसे हम लोग ने question number 2 देखा, there are the 2 parts are given, but I will give some more questions related to that. Find out the values of k, if the roots are real, equal, if the roots are real but real and not unequal, if roots are non-real, so how can you find out the values of different variables like k and whatever other things, correct? So try this exercise. If you are having any doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you.